আজকে আমি ব্রেকফাস্টে কি রান্না করব? প্লিজ মা, মেক সাম ইয়াম্মি রেসিপি ফর মি, প্লিজ মা, প্লিজ।
এই ওসব ইয়াম্মি রেসিপি বানাতে গেলে অনেক টাইম লাগবে, প্লিজ চটপট কিছু বানিয়ে দাও।
নো প্রবলেম ডিয়ার, মাত্র 7 মিনিটে ইয়াম্মি হেলদি রেসিপি বানিয়ে দেব। হ্যালো নাসিমা, তুমি কি আমাকে চটপট কিছু হেলদি ব্রেকফাস্ট রেসিপি সাজেশন দিতে পারবে?
Hey guys, Nashima here. Today I am going to talk about 7 healthy breakfast for 7 days. সকালের ভোজ জমে উঠুক রোজ. So guys, what do you mean by breakfast? Do you think is that only the first meal, or is that the small meal, or just a cup of tea and 2 biscuits? No guys, breakfast means break the fast with a healthy meal. But why healthy meal? What is the importance of breakfast? Why breakfast is more important than other meal? Because breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, helping you burn your calories throughout the day, gives energy for your whole day work, and give better memory and concentration, reduce the level of cholesterol and chances of getting diabetes, heart disease and obesity. When you woke up the blood sugar your body to make your muscles and brain work their best is usually low. Breakfast helps replenish it. If your body doesn't get the fuel from food, you may feel zapped of energy and you will be more likely to overeat later in the day. Are you skipping your breakfast? If yes, then you have to change your habit, because research shows that many people skip their breakfast because they are in hurry to do their daily work. That's a mistake. You need food in your system long before lunchtime. People who eat breakfast are thinner than those who don't. And kids who don't eat breakfast have a harder time focusing and they become more tired. So guys, start your day with a healthy breakfast. But now the question is what to eat in breakfast. As we are all in hurry in the morning because of our busy schedule and there is not enough time to prepare a healthy breakfast, but you can add a mix of food that have carbohydrate, protein, healthy fats and fibers, whole grain cereal, pulses, low fat dairy products, eggs and nuts. Last night leftover can be used also for making breakfast. So guys, here is 7 minutes, 7 ingredients and 7 different healthy breakfast recipes. Check it out. So the number 1 is mixed rice fry or bhat bhaja. And the ingredients of this recipe are leftover rice, vegetables of your choice, egg, oil, salt, black pepper powder, roasted masala powder. And the method of cooking is add oil to a pan, then add the leftover rice, add the vegetables, fry for 1 minute, then add egg and all masalas and salt, mix it and serve it hot. The nutrition fact of this recipe is calorie per serving near about 260 kilocalorie. It is rich in vitamin and protein and it improves your digestion as it contains cumin. And the next recipe is sprouty raita or onkurito raita. And the ingredients are sprouted Bengal gram, sprouted green gram, tomato, onion, curd, black pepper powder, salt. It is easy to prepare. Just add sprouts with curd and then add chopped tomato and onion and squeeze the lemon and salt and pepper and mix with it. It gives calorie per serving near about 200 kilocalorie, rich in vitamin C, fiber, protein and probiotics which comes from the curd, helps to reduce your weight. And now the recipe number 3, that is quikza. So the ingredients are egg, whole wheat flour, veggies of your choice, roasted masala powder, oil, black pepper powder and salt. It is also easy to cook. Just break the egg and beat the egg with whole wheat flour, add chopped vegetables of your choice, add salt, pepper, roasted masala as per taste, then add a little bit of oil in a pan, pour the mixture and spread it and turn it after 1 minute. This recipe gives you calorie per serving near about 260 kilocalorie. It is rich in vitamins and proteins and helps to reduce your weight. And the fourth recipe is soja suji. So the ingredients are suji, curd, veggies of your choice, oil, baking powder, black pepper powder and salt. You just have to prepare a batter of suji and curd with adding a little bit of baking powder and salt with a little bit oil. Then hot the pan, add the batter in pan and give the toppings with grated vegetables and sprinkle some oil and turn it after 1 minute. That's it. It gives you calorie per serving near about 250 kilocalorie. It is rich in vitamins and probiotics and it improves your digestion. And the fifth recipe is chiracharam. So the ingredients are rice flakes, honey, lemon, banana, pomegranate, black pepper powder and salt. To prepare this recipe, soak the rice flakes with a pinch of salt for 5 minutes, then add honey, lemon and other ingredients and mix it and add some sliced banana and pomegranate. That's it. It gives you calorie per serving near about 255 kilocalorie. It is rich in fructose and vitamin C and it is also rich in potassium. And now the recipe is all about love. It may be for your child or maybe for your dear one. And the recipe is love loaf. So the ingredients are bread, milk, sugar, cardamom powder, almond, raisin and ghee. To prepare this recipe, slightly roast the bread with ghee. Take milk in saucepan, add sugar, almond, raisin, then add the small pieces of bread and sprinkle the cardamom powder and mix it. This recipe gives you calorie per serving near about 250 kilocalorie. It is rich in vitamins and minerals and it is also rich in omega-6 fatty acid. Now coming to the last recipe, that is potato brownie. So the ingredients are boiled potato, veggies of your choice, egg, oil, roasted masala powder, black pepper powder and salt. To make this recipe, grate the boiled potato and add all the vegetables, egg and masalas and mix it. Then add little oil to pan and add a full spoon of the mixture and give it a square shape and fry for 2 minutes. This recipe gives you calorie per serving near about 262 kilocalorie. It is a mixture of all nutrients and it is also rich in vitamins.
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ নাসিমা এইসব চটজলদি হেলদি রেসিপিগুলো শেয়ার করার জন্য। সো গাইজ, ইটস মর্নিং 8 and time to eat. What to eat? A healthy breakfast that keep you fit. It may be fried rice, which have all nutrients and spice. It may be sprouts raita, which improves gut microbiota. It may be soja suji or the quigza, which gives you the ultimate maza. It may be chiracharam or the potato brownie or maybe the love loaf. So guys, don't lose your hope. Eat this recipe and be healthy and happy. Thank you so much guys. Stay tuned with us. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.